I need help! 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 I need help!
I told you we shouldn't have cut through here. We need to call a tow truck.
A tow truck won't make it down this road. We have to try and dig it out first.
The bumper seems all right.
We're lucky we didn't do more damage getting it out of that mess.
I sure I got you power ones.
Now it's better to get the car washed so it can return to a like-new condition.
The car was stuck in mud. Please wash it thoroughly.